The Customer Vault is a PCI-compliant way for you to store your customers' payment information in your payment gateway. I currently don't have any customers saved to this account, so I'm going to go to Customer Vault in the main menu and hit Add Customer. Depending on what's active on your account, you may or may not see this page, but if you have options for credit card and check, you'll be able to choose what sort of customer you're adding. I'm going to add a credit card. So I'm taken to a page that's very similar to the sale page, where I'm going to enter all the billing and shipping information for this customer, and all required fields are marked with a red asterisk. In this case, all I have to enter is a card number and an expiration date. Everything else is just extra. Okay, so I've entered all their information here. I'm going to make their billing information exactly the same and hit submit. There we go. Now the customer has been saved to the vault. I can add another customer from here. I can go back to this new customer vault record, or I can go to my customer vault list. I'm going to go through the main menu though, and on Customer Vault, I can now choose List Customers. You have a search form here where you can search for specific customers based on their vault ID, their last name, billing ID, account number, and the like, but I'm just going to hit Submit to search for all customers in this account. So only one result came back, and that's for my Jane Doe customer. You can click into their name to see information on their Customer Vault record. They have a billing ID with their billing information, and they have a shipping address as well. So these are billing methods and shipping addresses. We'll come back here, but I'm going to go back to this main page, and you can also see there's a Customer Vault ID. That's a unique identifier for this customer in my vault. There's an Actions column where I can run a sale, an authorization, create a recurring subscription, or add an invoice. And then there's a summary. I can see what sort of record it is, credit card or check, a shortened version of the account number, and then when it was entered. If I wanted to, I can hit these coins right here to run a sale, and this takes me to the normal sale page. You can see the card information is already filled out, the card number is masked, it will never show you the full card information, as well as all of the customer's billing address information that I entered. So all I need to do is enter an amount. We're going to charge them $3, and I'll hit enter. And the transaction has been approved, just like any other transaction. For future reference, I can know that this was a Customer Vault transaction because in the order information, there's a customer ID value, and that's the Customer Vault ID that was created for this customer. Now, let's go back to List Customers. I'm going to search for last name. So Doe is the last name, submit, and it returns as well. And now I want to add another billing method for them. They have a credit card on file, but they also want to be able to pay with check at times. So I'm going to go into their record and click Add Billing Method. This time I'll do electronic check. And it's a very similar process. I have to enter the name on the account, the routing number, the account number, and then whatever other information I want. So in this case, I'm just doing Jane Doe with some account numbers and hit submit. There we go. It's been added to the vault. And when I go back to this Customer Vault record, I can now see they have two billing methods available. One is that Visa card that I added earlier, and now they have their checking account. You can do the same thing with shipping addresses as well if they have multiple shipping addresses. And when you use these sale buttons or auth buttons or recurring, you can pick and choose between which one of these you'd like to use in the future. The Customer Vault is a very powerful but simple way to store your credit card numbers and bank account numbers securely in a PCI compliant manner.